And in this quick tutorial I will show you how to unsubscribe from an email on Yahoo Mail. So what you have to do, find and press on the email which you'd like to unsubscribe from. As an example, let's choose this one from Instagram, and what you have to do once you press on it, scroll all the way to the bottom. Here you'll find an unsubscribe button like this one. If you can see it, not all the emails have this button. I will show you at the end of this video another method how to stop the emails from coming in from this email address. So if you found it, press on it, and you'll be redirected to the person who sent you that email to their website, and as you can see, you've been unsubscribed from Instagram reminder email about post recap. Okay, that's cool. I don't want to subscribe. We can close this tab. And another method to unsubscribe from an email, from a newsletter, if you can see that unsubscribe button here at the bottom or here at the top, is to copy their email address, the person who sent you that email. So let's copy it. Now let's go to the settings and more settings once again. Let's go to security and privacy, and here we can find block addresses. Let's press on add, and at the address let's right click and press on paste, and let's press on save. And now the next time when this email address will try to send me an email, it will be automatically blocked. This way, in my opinion, is way more efficient than just unsubscribing. So this was the tutorial how to unsubscribe from a newsletter on Yahoo Mail. Thank you for watching, and bye bye.